Your Majesty.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my sons. 25 seasons ago, Olisabinigwe granted us some blessings by allowing the entrance of both of you into this family. Happy birth anniversary, my sons.
Thank you, Father.
It's an honor, Father.
Father, these slaves, these untamed dogs must be made to be more up and doing.
How dare you hit a woman?
She's my father's servant, our slave.
So you shouldn't have...
Shut up. Excuse me.
This boy won't kill you.
Sorry. Get up. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry on his behalf.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. No?
Sorry.
Arrow?
Yes, Father. The savages would have killed me if not for this arrow.
Only 3 people can wield the royal arrow. And that is Abanobi, our clan head, and his sons, Eso and Jekube. But I don't think that Abanobi can walk around the woods, considering its age now.
Father, that means it's either of his sons then?
Yes. Eso is so wicked that he can even encourage the savages to eat you up.
Father, I thought it was Prince Jekube.
Yes, no other person. It's him.
Hey.
Really, it's him.
No.
What?
Oh.
No. What?
No.
I hope your madness has happened again. Huh?
Oh. No. Mother.
Huh?
No. Father. Mother. I'm sorry to say this, but no. You will not leave to see the break of dawn.
Shut up! Fool! Look at this guy! Huh? Hello, what's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is the baby? What on that forward?
I'm sure.
Shut up, your man! Come and get inside the house. Go inside! Animal. I'm not in the house. Go inside the house. Go inside the house. Go inside! Hey, who? Huh? What's wrong with you? Stand up. Stop crying, let's go. Stop crying, let's go.
I didn't kill her. I can't kill my own mother.
Ralo. Though it seems hard for people to believe you, somehow I believe you.
I don't think I can bear the pain of losing my mother. Not to talk of the frustration of being accused of killing her. Even my siblings.
You have lost 3 of your siblings. And now your mother. All in the space of 5 months. Really, somehow you announce their death before it occurs.
That's the problem. I see their death, yes. But I don't kill them. I am innocent of all these accusations. I don't kill them. I don't.
And if you don't stop coming close to this witch, very soon, it is your death that she will see.
I agree to you.
Zipporah. Zipporah. Listen to the word of your father that gave you life. And never depart from the words of your mother. Your parents had warned you time without number to stay clear from this winch, but you will not. Our Obanje has started again.
Are you okay? I see him.
What's wrong with you?
I see your son. I see your son.
Onye?
I see your dad.
You will die. You will die and your entire lineage will die, not my son.
Ha! Oh, no. I see her son. It's moving. Ah! No. He will die.
He will not die. You will die. You and your entire lineage will die, not my son.
No.
You will not die.
Finest of mornings to you, Esto. Heir to the ancient Troy rock of Israel.
How dare you mention my name?
I'm sorry.
You don't stand when talking to me. I can see you lack manners. How dare you walk by when I'm urinating?
My Lord!
God.
My God, I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry!
I shall teach you what it means to be sorry.
My God, I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry!
Deal with that.
Oh my God, oh, I'm sorry! Hey. My God, I'm sorry! Please forgive me, I'm sorry! My God! Hey, my God, oh, my God, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry! My God, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! My God, 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 I'm sorry!
What has she done to deserve this judgment of a thief?
My prince.
Don't call me your prince. Call me Jokube.
She walked past while my prince was urinating.
Onwesobunam, why are you doing this?
How dare you? You are lucky we share the same blood. None other will do this and go free.
It's okay.
Thank you, my priest.
Sorry. I'm sorry on his behalf, okay? Sorry.
Thank you, my priest. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My priest, thank you. Thank you.
Father, it was terrible. You needed to see how they were flogging her like a thief.
What nonsense. That boy shouldn't think he has grown so much that I cannot bend him.
My major concern is this. What will happen to our people when he eventually ascends this throne?
Olisabinigwe, I can't believe that I carried this tyrant and wicked soul in this womb. Hi.
Greetings to the royal family.
Sipora, how are you?
I'm fine, mother.
Who is she?
She's the newest maiden in the house.
She looks like a good girl.
Sure she is.
Jacobi, you still haven't told us who this your new friend is and where he's from.
Ngolo. Well, he's just a homeless fellow I met on my way and decided to help him.
Our son and his good deeds. Olisabinigwe will surely reward you.
Since you and your daughter decided to kill my son, my only son, here he is.
Calm down and tell me what
I should come down.
Because I thought that... Just because I thought Zora to attend to the one of her parents, you don't accuse my son. Why? You don't accuse my son. Why? Why?
Kaina, what is your sister?
Father, I don't know, but let me go and search for her.
Look for her.
You witch! You!
Come here! Come here! Now listen, what have you done? What have you done?
I have done nothing, Father.
You've done nothing! You have done nothing! Okay, here it is. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Look at those!
Papa, please!
Papa, please! Papa, please! Papa, please!
I will shoot you. I am still your father. Omanja, I will beat it up.
Papa, please! Papa, please! No!
Hey, Papa, please now. I will flag out this Omanja from you today. Please.
Papa!
Papa, please. You're so good, Omanja. I will. That is your Omanja again. Now, I will cut off your eye here and throw the spirit. You are careful with that.
No! Leave me alone! Leave me! No! 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 No!
What is it that you want? What is it again?
You will die in 2 days. 2 days. 2 days.
Nay, you look tired. Can I help you?
Your seems like royalty.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
Nay, where are you heading to?
You seem like royalty.
Yes, my name is
Jacob, son of Abanobi, leader of Ijiroke clan.
Nay, you know me.
I am on my way to the home of my nephew, Zebua.
Zebua. I don't know dear, but I will make sure my guards take you to your destination safe and sound.
Give me my bag. I am strong enough to carry it.
Let them help you.
Thank you.
No. Let them help you. No, let's help you.
Thank you.
My prince, what about you?
I shall continue my walk alone. Make sure she gets to her destination safe and sound.
Mama, why all this death in our family? Where is she? Jebua. Mama! Him too!
Sorcery, that is what it is. The girl is not normal.
You think so?
Madundu, why is it that she kills her family members one after the other?
Hi! Udokoba. That has not been confirmed.
Madundu, what other confirmation do you need? Every market week, a corpse is being buried in her family. And she has even gone out attacking other people's family. Yes! Of course, now.
Greetings. What's the Madindu and the Dokuba?
Thank you.
My daughter, where are you hurrying to?
I'm just coming for Ranu's house. Her father Zebe just died.
Hey! Are you sure of what you are saying?
I can't joke with issues of life and death. I can't.
Only Sabini go.
Hey. Please excuse my elders.
Hey, you see? Hey, that is exactly what I'm talking about. You see it? That is what is happening. Hello, man. Hello. When I was talking, you never listened. But it has shown you. Hello, man.
And what exactly do you speak of?
Your Highness, it's about Ralo Lisa, the daughter of Zebewa.
Zebewa has a grown daughter?
Yes, of course.
Impressive. Very impressive. Oh, that means our clan is growing.
Tremendously.
Iwe, that is how it should be. But we are rather reducing.
And how do you mean?
The same girl had looked at people, telling them they will die, and they eventually died.
I have heard about this girl, but I haven't really.
In the space of 6 months, she has looked at her mother, including her siblings, even Ezuma's son, telling them they will die. They all died, one by one. Her father Zebe died this morning. Hey!
Strange. Really strange.
So,
hey, if you low lives will excuse me, I'd like to have a word with my father alone.
And what nonsense is this, Eso?
I shall not want to repeat myself.
Young man, is this how you intend to pilot the affairs of this clan after your father?
My father is Abanobi. He rules you the way he deems fit.
Eso!
I am Eso, the heir apparent to the throne and the next leader of Izuruke clan. I shall rule you with fire and brimstone. And there's nothing you can do about it. You can cough.
Hey! No, no. Eso,
Abanobi!
No.
You dare call me by my name?
You called me first.
Hey!
My lord, please. The great leopard of Izuruke, line, please. Line, please. I beg you to control your anger. You cannot spill your own blood, please.
Biko. Hey! Hey! Calm down, please.
Please, my lord.
Please, calm down.
A true leopard does not let his prey slip away.
Hey!
But Mama, I don't kill them. I don't.
I know. That is why I have come to see you.
Me? I thought it was my father you came to see.
You belong to a special breed of gifted women. How I saw things when I was your age. People don't understand. They thought it's sorcery. But it was a special gift. A rare one.
But Mama, why do I only see when people are about to die?
That is not the only thing you see. Neither Shield is the only gift you possess. You need to groom your gift in order to reach your full full potential.
Mama, but why are my family members dying? Why? It's really hurting me. It's hurting me, Mama.
It's not your fault. That is how it has usually been. The family of those with this special gift either all die or one person survive to give birth to a son who will in turn give birth to the new seer. That was how your grandfather, my brother, remained to give birth to my father, who in turn gave birth to you. And your emergency. Your emergency. So that my end is near.
Does it mean that my brother... Don't share it.
When the moon retires, so will his soul. There's one more thing about this gift.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
People with this gift, they don't grow. They always
I wonder why you also take your own family members.
She's evil.
Please. Oh, please. He's a...
Away with her. Let's take her to the leader. We must go to the leader now.
Yes.
What other leader are you waiting for when I'm here? What is her crime? Will you get back on the floor, you dog?
She looks at people and tells them they will die. And then they die.
Yes.
I see.
She did that to all her family members.
Yes.
The last member of Zebe's household, who was her younger brother, had just suffered the same fate in her hands.
Yes.
She also did it to Mekonye's son.
You. Come forward. What are you?
My prince, I don't understand.
You? Come forward. Are you not the new dirt in the palace? Now get your filthy self back to the palace and be useful. Now! She's a witch and must be treated as such. Guards, take her away. Hold her!
Hold on. Leave me alone. Leave me. Leave me alone.
Who are you?
Who I am does not matter for now. The judgment is not right.
She tells Esu what is and what isn't right.
Please, my son, do not cast her away to the savages. There is no proof of sorcery or witchcraft. She's only a victim of special gifts.
How lucky you are. Guards! See to it that my judgment is carried out later.
No! No! Your father, the leader of the clan, is still alive. You don't have any right to pass judgment.
Guards! Flog this woman till her skin peels off with the whip, and take the witch to the evil forest.
No, no! Justice! This is injustice! This is not good!
Come here.
Oh no! Anna, come. We need to fight.
I'm not done anything. I'm sorry, please. Please, please. Please, I beg you, please.
As the sun gives way for the moon at night, so shall joy give way for sorrow by sunrise. The tears of the innocent will always reach earth. And hatred will give rise, and from the earth then shall arise a song. You made my end a painful form, so shall yours too. The next 7 days will lead to your end. And you will suffer so many unknown diseases. As for those that lay their hands on me and my daughter, 7 days is a long time. As it is impossible for these grains of sand to gather in my palms again, so shall it be impossible for this cause to be broken.
So strange.
It's strange indeed.
This is a bad omen. This is not right. Greetings, Zipporah. Won't you greet the prince?
Greetings, prince. Take me.
Greetings, Zipporah.
What is wrong with her?
She must be in great pain because of her friend.
The girl that was sent away?
Yes.
But your father has sent the girls to go and look for her. Why is she still crying?
I don't know.
We searched everywhere, we can't find her. Let us go back. No! There is no point going back. Because if we go back, they will kill us. But look at the weather. It's changing, it's about to rain. My brother, we have no choice. We have no choice than to search. It is our fate. Let us search.
What are you waiting for?
You see, as I enter their midst, all the savages begin to bow down to me.
Ago.
Trust you. I know what you're capable of doing.
Obodi Zulu.
oke, obodo zuru oke atọnụ. Ife ofu onye metalụ etinye obodo n'afụfụ gbala olisa biko zanyo.
This is punishment. Yes, they are the fellas enjoying themselves and we're here under distress, looking for her. Oh, it's something.
I came to comfort you.
But, Mama, you never told me you have such powers.
You will understand in due time. But first, we must keep you away from the savages. Come.
Has befallen my husband. Olisa Binigwe, have I offended you or my fellow men?
Please, take it easy, Father.
My son, this is bad omen and cannot be taken easy. Where is your brother?
Let me check on him at once.
Greetings, great leader of our clan. Greetings, my elders.
Abanobi.
Abanobi, please sit down. Hey. What is greater than the leopard has threatened the leopard in its own territory?
The Fiakwa. Nothing can ever be greater than the greatest leopard of Izureke.
Mbani. Anosike. How then do you explain two guards dying mysteriously in one night?
Hey!
Strange. Terrible. Your two guards died mysteriously in one night. Terrible.
Another bad news.
What is it? The chick has invited the hawk, thereby throwing the hen into unprepared defensive measures.
Yes.
I am even more confused.
Hey! Hey! Hey, whoa.
Mama, what happened when they sent me away? Did those warriors let her beat you up like you said? Mama, how come you're very neat? Eh?
Don't touch me. Be calm. You will understand.
Mama, what is going on? Understand what?
You will dwell here until vengeance takes its full course.
Mama, what is going on? What is happening?
I have moved on. What you see is not what it is. Weep not, my child. Weep not. Vengeance is uncaused. The God will aid you in building a hut. Oh? All your food will come to you. Holy Sibling will protect you. Oh? I will always be here for you. My daughter. Be strong and patient. In no time, this moment will pass.
She was flogged mercilessly. I could hardly behold the sides of her back. Hey! I am certain she could not bear the torture and gave up.
We just saw to her burial before coming over here.
What?
Yes.
That was not the son this time around.
No. Father, what's going on here? I could hear your voice from inside my heart.
What is this? The royal heir?
I asked you what's going on here. I heard your voice from inside my heart.
He's acting like a woman. Really?
Excuse me.
No, Nadia! Ichibayagi! You want to sit down?
Father, please talk to the royal maidens. Tell them to come give me some massage. All of them.
Is okay?
Hey! Hey! What? Hey! Massage!
Oh, body is okay.
They'll be fine.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Oh, body is okay. Oh, body is okay. Oh, body is okay. Atono. If I metalo, etinyo bodo na fofo. Ralo lisabiko zanyo. If I metalo, etinyo bodo nojo. Ralo lisabiko zanyo. Ralo lisabiko zanyo.
I know he's the prince that helped me to Lord.
Mama, he's a good man. Those savages are going to eat him up.
Don't.
Mama, no, they are closing up on him, Mama.
Here. They hit it. Go.
If I wanted to kill you, I wouldn't have saved you from those savages.
Do I know you?
Ralo Lisa, daughter of late Zebuwa. I greet you, my prince.
The same one who was
labeled a sorcerer and sent away from the village.
What?
Come with me, my prince. Come with me.
Izuroke wronged you.
That's only for those who accept.
I am a prince from Izuroke.
I recognized you the moment I saw you.
So why did you help me?
Maybe because you have once helped me in the past. Don't you remember? You once saved me from the hands of the savages, right?
Yes, I remember.
Tell me, what's your mission on this path?
I'm heading to the mountain top in search of Eronini. Izuroke is in great turmoil. And if I don't get to Eronini as soon as possible, Izuroke will cease to exist.
Alright, come with me to my hut. Come with me.
Obodi Izuroke, Obodi Izuroke, Obodi Izuroke atono. Ifo fonye metalo. Etinyo obodo n'afụfụ ralo Lisa biko zanyo. Ife ofu onye metalụ etinyo obodo n'ụjọ ralo Lisa biko zanyo. Ralo Lisa biko zanyo. Obodo Izuroke atono. Ife ofu onye metalụ etinye obodo n'afụfụ ralo Lisa biko zanyo.
Hope of Izuroke. Please be strong. All will be well. Lisa Binigwe is watching.
Obodi Izuroke, Obodi Izuroke, Obodi Izuroke atono. Ife ofu onye metalụ etinye obodo n'afụfụ ralo Lisa biko zanyo. Ife ofu onye metalụ etinye obodo n'ụjọ ralo Lisa biko zanyo. Lisa, because I know.
Producer.
What do you wrong with such urgency? Is your wife in labor?
I'm the one in labor. Eh?
How do you mean?
One days ago, his wife bore him another son. So I went to his house to congratulate him, and I lost control of my mouth. Eh? Hey, I ate okwa, and then I washed it down with the fresh palm wine.
Again,
one moji. Let me go deep inside the bush and offload it.
Please go. Let me allow you go.
Hey!
Sorry.
Hey. The great leopard of our clan, Abanhobi of Izuroke. If I do not run to you at a time like this, who will I run to?
Agenti, don't tell me you have not quit your drinking habits.
Far from it.
Then why are you sweating profusely at this staggering?
If I did not gather momentum to run to this place, there will be no one left to give you this news.
What is it?
The savages have invaded Izuroke.
What? Savages?
You'll be needing more of this.
I won't.
You won't? But you saw how he saved your life earlier.
This didn't save me. No harm can befall me because I'm royalty.
Let your royalty continue to guide you then.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One good turn deserves quite another.
I shall speak on your behalf when I get to Izuroke.
I don't want it. I don't need it. I am better off here. Please, you have to run now. You don't have time in abundance.
All the same, thank you.
Thank you, my friends. For how long have you been standing here?
The whole time. I can see you are beginning to have likeness for the young boy.
Nay, he's a good man.
The revelation is close.
Let's go to my hut.
Obodi Zuloke, Obodi Zuloke, obodo izuruoke atọnụ ife ofu onye metalụ etinye obodo n'afụfụ rala Olisa biko zanyo ife ofu onye metalụ etinye obodo n'ụjọ rala Olisa biko zanyo rala Olisa biko zanyo.
And we're supposed to perform the rite of protection to the Sibling by now.
But you all know that the condition of my son is not good.
Are we supposed to suffer for his actions?
Great leopard of Israel. You have more than one son. What can the other take the place of the former?
Shut up! You daughter of Ezuma. What is wrong with you? You ought to know that this is not possible. Huh?
Then we shall stay here with our leader.
Yes!
Yes! Let the savages come here and eat us. Yes! We will all be here. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere.
Greetings, Eronini. Great. My father, the great Milfa, and the entire tribesmen sent me to you.
I greet you. Great men and women of Israel, people of honor. The lion does not leave its territory because the tiger comes. Through men who are worthy, that wants to be addressed as one, always stand to fight.
Yes, that is why we are gathered here for our leader to tell us how to fight this fight.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. But this isn't the battle of fists, clubs. This is the battle of the ring. Yes, the ring.
Great Eronini, the strongest seer of our clan. Because you have not been with us for a while, things are like falling apart.
Yes.
The savages are getting closer and closer. And yet, the sacrifice of protection has not been performed. Please watch the way too.
You all know that our prince is the only one that can perform the rite. It's not healthy.
Eh? No, then we won't stay here. Let the servants come and eat us first.
After I will stay here. I am here now. Eronine is here. Please, I plead with you all.
We are not going anywhere.
Please, we you can begin to go.
Go.
No, we are not going anywhere. We are staying here.
We have suffered enough.
I am pleading to all of you to go back to your homes, to allow me and your leader to have a clear head to tackle what has befallen us. Huh?
Leave them to go home.
Yes.
Let's evil give way to good. Let darkness give way for light. Let blindness give way for sight.
Eronini, Utuaka and Akashimi have already told me what you're saying now.
Abanobi, what I see is more than just a curse.
Are you saying something new?
It is like a raging inferno that will sweep through your household. I can't tell who will survive the heat.
Then what should be done? What should be done?
First, his royal hair shall be woven. That will make the curse to be broken.
Indeed, ignorance can actually kill a man. Just to weave his royal hair? That's not a problem.
Then let me start by weaving the hair.
No. You cannot do that. Then let someone made into. No. The only person that can reweave his royal hair is someone Eso has hurt so much. Someone who hates him that will even want him dead.
Oh, Madolo, you are here.
Yes.
Quick. Get the guards to go into the settlement and get as many people as my son Eso has wronged. The solution is finally with us.
Hey!
Wah. Hey! Ulise Binigwe will never abandon us.
That's great.
The royal hair must be rewoven by someone who has so much hatred for my son Eso.
Someone who even wishes him dead. Hurry.
Good. That we will find in abundance. Eso has wronged a lot of people, starting from those of us that are here. Yes, but that I know, whatever the case is, just get to the guards, please. As you have spoken, Abanobi, the Great. Guards, follow him.
Move. Leave me, I'll do not sustain. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'll do not sustain. Leave me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'll do not sustain. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'll do not sustain. Leave me alone. 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 I'll do not sustain. Leave me alone.
I'm not going anywhere. Even if he wants to die, let him die. I'm not going anywhere. Ijepu, be mindful of your words. The beast broke the pot of my palm wine and even had me flogged at the market square. Why will I save him?
Ijepu, what is wrong with you? Huh? The leader of our clan summons you and you are here arguing with us. Are you coming with us or not?
I'm not going anywhere.
Let's go!
Who amongst you here will be happy seeing him lying helplessly like this? Huh? Which of you has he hurt most? Tell me! Nobody? Nobody!
Greetings, Abanu. Great leopard. They are afraid to speak. I shall speak. Esobulam was wicked to all of us. I don't think there should be a question of who he offended most. He hurt all of us.
Then, by the authority vested in me as the leader of Israel clan, I command you to whip his head. What happened?
It burnt my finger.
Hurt you? You! Whip the head. You! Whip the head.
Enough. It must be done out of contest and conviction, not with force or compulsion.
How is it possible that someone who has been hurt this much as wanting him dead can be convinced to whip him?
Oh, that is the irony of the cause. And that is how bad it seems.
Then, what should be done?
There is one person that can weave his royal hair. Abanobi, our land is under him, particularly your household. Soon, all will take its full course, and what needs to be known will be known.
And really tell me, who is this person?
She is the daughter of the old order of the gifted. Izuroke took her as a sorcerer. Her son banished her and had her old auntie flogged, which led to her death. She is the answer.
Eroini, this girl you talk about was banished and sent into the forest of savages. I believe that by now, she, including all those guards, would have been eaten by those savages.
Yes, that is
Hey! Hey! Eronini, how do we go about this?
We will try and reach Ralo Lisa. We must talk to her.
But if she refuses, we have hurt her so much.
There is no harm in trial. We will try.
Who will accept to go to the forest of the savages? Who will be willing to risk his or her life in that forest of savages?
I think the elders will accept to go if I tell them I will go with them and assure them that no harm will befall us.
We will Sabiniwe guide you and take you through.
Just be stronger.
I will try.
I will go with them and we will return.
Obodi Zuluke, Obodi Zuluke, Obodi Zuluke atono. Ifo fonye metalo, etinyo obodo na fofo, ralo lisabiko zanyo. Ifo fonye metalo, etinyo obodo nujo, ralo lisabiko zanyo. Ralo lisabiko zanyo. Obodi Zuluke, Obodi Zuluke, Obodi Zuluke atono. etinye obodo n'afụfụ rala Olisa biko zanyo ife ofu onye metalụ etinye obodo n'ụjọ rala Olisa biko zanyo rala Olisa biko zanyo.
Come here to do?
Great daughter of Israel, your father greets you.
I have no father!
No. Hey, calm down, my daughter. Olisa, I know how
you know what? What have you come here for? You have come to finish what you started? Or have you finally come to take my life?
Mbanu. Far from it, my daughter.
Don't you ever call me your daughter! I am not your daughter!
You think they will succeed? I don't know what to think. Calm down. All will fall in place. I pray and hope so.
Olisa Binigwe, what is it that I haven't done right to deserve a fate like this? First, I was without child 120 months. Then you gave me 2, but send along with them trouble beyond my control. My son lies before me on the verge of death. My people are on my neck waiting for the right of protection. Even the savages lie in wait to eat us all. Izuroke is at the point of annihilation and extinction. And all this are happening during my reign.
you, I will never step my feet on that land again. Not in this life.
Listen, my daughter. This is a matter of life and death. And the continual existence of Izuruki.
Can you hear yourself speak? The continual existence of Izuruki. What is my business? Why should I be concerned about Izuruki? Why Izuruki wasn't concerned about me? Tell me why!
Hello, Lisa. I know Izuruki wronged you. It was a grievous mistake, but I apologize on their behalf. Hello, Lisa. The leader of the clan wants to see you. He summons you.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I would never step my feet on Izuruki again.
Hey, please, hey. Ralo. Hey.
Eronini, please tell me, is there hope?
Hope only comes to those who believe.
Did you return with her?
My daughter, is that you? I can see you are troubled.
Mama, they will not let me live my life in peace.
Lisa, you are a child of destiny. Your life is a mission. A mission to save. Evil has taken over Izuruki. Soon, the one that your heart is gradually beating for will be here to take you. Go with him.
But Mama, I can't.
Go. Olisa will guide you. In Izuruki, all that should be revealed will be revealed.
They could not convince her.
And this is your chance.
I shall head for the forest immediately.
Take charge, my good friend.
I must convince her.
I leave you.
Lisa, please. Not for my sake. Not for the sake of you. Not even for the sake of the people of Israel. But because of your kind and gracious nature. Please forgive me.
After sending me away,
please look not on the wickedness of Israel, okay? But look upon the friendship we share. Lisa, please. Return with me. Please.
No, my prince.
So you came behind me.
Jacob, I couldn't have left you travel these dangerous paths alone. The journey is far and the time is short. Ralo, Lisa, come.
I brought her. She even saved me from the savages. Wake up, my daughter. Thank you for heeding our call.
Ralo, Lisa. Here lies the heir to the royal rock of Israel. He is under a curse placed upon him by your auntie. It is revealed to me that only you can break the curse by weaving his royal hair. Please do it, please, my daughter.
Is this why I was called? Answer me! To save the life of the man who wanted me dead! A man who threw me out of this community without looking back! A man who sent his guards to flog my grandmom to her death! You want me to save him? I will not!
Yes, the same one I told you and my father about. And she has confirmed that her destiny lies here in this palace.
Daughter of old and ancient order, what do I hear?
My destiny lies in the palace, but not with him. With him.
I don't like this. I don't. What was the meaning of that? Eh? Can't I get what I want?
Can you please calm down? Your father is not in good health.
I don't care. Must I be tossed around like a bastard? Can't I have what I want? Can't I get what I deserve or desire?
Excuse me.
Why must this sideline me all because he came out first?
Excuse me.
Don't excuse me. Listen, I will not come down on this. I will not come down on this. I've lost it.
Can you please calm down?
Get everybody work. Come on. Get back.
You don't seem okay.
A man deprived of his heart desire won't be.
Is it about the girl?
Eso, I have played second fiddle to you all my life. I have respected you. I have honored you, though we were born on the same day.
I know. I understand.
Please. Leave Ralolisa for me.
I'm shocked. I'm surprised. I wonder why this will fall on me. I honestly do not have any interest in that girl. I wonder why she would want someone who has maltreated her so much as a husband. I wonder.
Always Obunam. Whatever the case may be, do not accept Ralolisa. I repeat, do not accept Ralolisa.
I have not known this. You must tell me what I should know.
There is nothing you should know. Nothing.
My brother is deeply hurt. I thought both of you were getting along. I thought there was something...
Eso, please! Leave!
Do not ask me to leave when you haven't given me an answer to what I demand.
What exactly do you want to hear?
The truth. Why do you suddenly accept to weave my royal hair? And why do you seem so comfortable getting married to the beast of a prince?
Since you insist, I'll tell you. You are not the beast. You are not. You have been manipulated all your life.
What are you talking about?
Yes, you heard me.
What is going on? What's happening here?
What troubles you, my friend? Will stop acting like a blind man. You are impeded in your limbs, not your eyes.
Is it about the girl?
Who else?
You act as though you were truly in love with her.
Listen, Eso will never marry Ralolisa.
But you lost your chance when you had it.
How was I supposed to know that a Ronini would take us on a flight?
Then let the battle begin.
Greetings to you all. I have called you all here because there is brewing tension in my homestead. And if not handled correctly, it may cause enmity between my two sons.
Abanobi, please, can we hear what it is so that we know how to handle it?
As you all know, my health is failing me by the day. And having performed the rites of protection, my son Eso should be married soon.
Is he having problem finding a bride?
Olisa Binigwe has already found him someone.
Then why are you troubled?
The trouble is that both my sons have been blessed with love for the same girl.
Who is this girl?
Olisa.
I think it's a good thing. But both of them are here. Let us hear from them.
Father, my elders, it is not my making that I stepped into this world first. And by virtue of that being given certain preferential treatments over my brother Jekube. As regards the girl in question, prior to this time I never had any interest in her. But since Olisa has ordained it and haven't spoken with her, I wish to do as Olisa has said.
You lie! All my life I have lived under the shadow of a man I was born into this world on the same day with. All in the name that he came out first. When he was sick, I stood by him. I stood by Father. I stood by our people. I sacrificed everything just to see him fine. But now the only thing that gives me joy, the one I love, cherish and desire, he wants to take. Jacob, my son, it is true that you have been a very good and obedient boy all this while. You have stood by me. You have stood by the land. But this is beyond us. It is the decision of Olisa Binigwe. And I plead with you, before all these elders, to please sheath your sword and allow your brother Eso to have the girl.
No, brother, no! Over my dead body.
Then so be it!
Are you this ungrateful? I saved your life, remember?
Oh, really? Did you actually save my life? You want Olisa, right? Okay then. Go ahead and talk to Father. Tell the elders how much you want this rock.
I swear by my royal head, always Sogunam, you will never ascend this royal throne.
Jekube, the first will always remain the first.
Hey!
I'm sorry. Everything was falling in line before now. I will do everything to ensure that Chukwu sits on that royal rock.
Yeah.
I did not anticipate that the seer would take them on his royal flight.
You must be prepared for what lies ahead. It's not a battle of flesh and blood, but of great principalities and power. But Mama, what must I do? Stretch out your hand. All you need, you now have. Esho must not be killed. You must protect him at all times. This is your lifelong
I know that you'll be wondering why I brought you out for this work. From the very first day you started working in this house, I can boldly say that you are a well-trained girl. And that you'll make a good wife to whoever that decides to marry you.
Thank you, my queen.
And I'm also aware that you know the rift between my sons about your friend.
It's so saddening.
Zipporara.
My queen.
I would like you to do something for me.
Anything. All you need to do is ask.
Zipporara, could you please marry Jacobe, my son? Zipporara.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings.
I believe so too. How is your brother?
He's still not accepting it.
I don't think he ever will.
What's that?
It's nothing. It's just a harmless fly.
Is someone there?
No, just relax. There's no one there. It's just that recently some guinea fowl has been straying towards this part at night. Just that.
Okay. I should be running along now.
Oh, really? Alright. May Osebluwa be with you. Be careful.
I will. Thank you.
They cannot still understand what we are talking about. Of course, my brother. They can't understand. So that is it, my brother. Let it be so. That is it.
What I am saying is that sometimes some things have to be done to avoid problems.
Listen, Nosike. I don't understand your basis of argument in this matter.
Look, Eso himself said that he was not interested in the girl. Since Jacobe has shown more interest, why don't you allow him to marry the girl?
Masike, what are you talking about? You want us to go against the plans of only Sebinigwe, eh?
Don't mind him. Don't mind him at all. Yeah, Nosike. I think you still have some grudges against Eso.
That is not true.
If it is not true, why do you have to speak like this? Eh? Now I don't care where the truth lies. I, Madindo, will not be alive to see that girl married to Jekupe.
Why?
I know that Eso has been a beast. But this is something that is well arranged by the Sibling. And him alone knows his reason. So what are we talking about?
True talk, my brother. True talk. You don't understand what? Let us go.
If you don't understand, then undersit.
Let's go.
What is it?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
If you didn't understand, then understand.
Imagine. You said something. And it's trying to go against it. You have something else in your mind.
What do you have in your mind? What else do you have?
You have forward this sinners.
Catch you phone.
Critical times call for critical response. It is getting tougher by the day. You've got to be double careful, okay?
What exactly are you talking about?
Listen, I can't say all for now, but I want you to know that there is so much evil lurking in the dark, and you have to always be on guard.
Has it got anything to do with Madundo's death?
Fear not, my love. I will always be with you. I have to run.
But you...
And I will always be with you.
Zipporah!
My prince.
I thought I asked you to see me in my hut.
Yes, my prince. But Prince Eso asked me to come.
Never mention that name before me again.
Jekupe, what's going on here?
Shut up and get back to where you're coming from. Else I shall return you to Lisabinigwe.
You realize who you're talking to?
Yes, I realize who I'm talking to. I'm talking to a useless fool that derives joy in parading himself as the one and only.
Zipporah. What happened?
He asked me to come to his hut. But that was the same time he asked me to send some fruits to Father. Oh, I was only trying to explain to him where he's not.
What is it?
Have you lost it? Have you gone mad? What is wrong with you? Ogene! Jekupe! Eso! Nonsense! Move him! Shift him! Ogene! What?
What a shame. What a shame.
This is just the beginning. Owosobunam, I shall give you war in abundance.
It all ends today.
Police have libre. What's that?
Shh. Don't speak. Come with me now. Hurry.
Where? How? Why?
Hurry.
The girl. She always seems to appear each time I want to take him out. I'm trying. I am trying. I will take him down. But it's just the girl. Prepare to invade.
It is near, my dear.
Be strong. You are the great leopard of Izuroke. Be strong.
Everything happens in time and seasons. My soul will find peace if I transit before the royal rock.
Please stop saying that. You will be fine.
Obinigwe is on the path of justice. The marriage, the royal marriage must take place. No force will prevent it. As Olisa Binigwe wishes. As he wishes. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, that's okay. You'll be fine.
What is it?
Evil. Great wickedness. The hour has come.
Run! Where?
Wait, run! Run this way!
I am Angulo, the ageless. I never grow old. As I am, so have I always been. When King Cobra waits so long for its kind to get out of the way for it to feed on its prey, it takes both its kind and the prey. You have brought this upon yourself. Hey! Warrior!
No daughter of the ancient order can be harmed. Only Sibling will live. I am only but a servant, great chosen one of Olisa.
Udo. There is no hiding place for the wicked.
I have no dealings with you. Stay away.
No one stands on the way fully Sabinigwe. I am a Ronini. I am his servant, and his work I must do. It is your work that I am doing. I decrease for you to increase, Holy Sabinigwe. Speak. I hear only Sabinigwe. I humble myself before you. Speak. I am hearing you.
Make sure you tell the guys to clean everywhere. Palace must be.
Ureka, set preparations rolling immediately. The royal wedding must take place right away.
Thank you. Go and tell the guards to get ready for this royal wedding. Let them clean everywhere. Go, go! Maidens! Maidens! Go and prepare for this royal wedding at once. Go, go!
All the guards, leave whatever you are doing. Prepare for the royal wedding.
Everybody, get ready. Prepare for the royal wedding.
We all are aware that recently our land, Izuruke, came under intense evil. But today marks the end of an era of terror. And so, with the authority on me as the humble servant of Olisa Binigwe and the permission of our sick leader, I ask both of you, Eso, Ralo Olisa, come and kneel before the nuptial pots. Step forward.
Stop! Stop! Stay right there.
Oh, Jekube, the royal son with a full heart.
Almost something I told you. You will never ascend this throne. Yeah?
He sure will.
Yes. Yes. I can see you've grown wings. I shall get back to you when I'm done with him.
No! I
think I should start with you first. Great people of Izuroke, I think it's time for me to announce to you who this beast is.
I think I should let them know the humiliation I have suffered in the hands of this monster who has continually raped me ever since the very first day I stepped my feet into this homestead. Beast, rape.
Talk like that.
Greetings, mother.
Greetings, Zipporah. Won't you greet the prince?
Greetings, Prince Jacob.
Greetings, Zipporah.
Zipporah, is this for real?
Every day. Every single day.
No! You must have to do something about this. You have to report him to his mother at once.
God. He might harm me.
No, he won't. He won't. This is becoming too much. He won't do nothing. I really feel for you. Sorry.
On the day I wove Eso's hair.
Please, my daughter.
Please, my daughter. Today, all that needs to be known has been revealed to him. I have forgiven him because has been broken. I shall weave his hair.
Only Sabine Bedano.
Thank you, my daughter.
Jekube was initiated by savages in order to ruin his brother's reputation. Fought him to his death, ascend the royal rock, and have access into his Izuroke. Whatever Eso did in the past was under the manipulation of Jekube. Eso has never been a bad person all this while. Jekube has been the painted sepulchre.
You all can keep shouting. I'm all I care. I want someone who will never ascend this throne.
You lie. You are lying.
Yes.
I can't believe that I carried a wretched monster like you in my womb.
Shut up! Shut up!
I regret the day I conceived you. And may that day be cursed forever.
I shall ascend this rock.
And I say, that will be after my funeral.
Yes! All right then. Prepare for your funeral.
Hey.
I want him.
I guess you were looking for this.
Hey! Who gave you that? Who gave you?
I did.
and I slit in the fake one for you, beast.
Please, don't harm me anymore.
Why shouldn't I?
Remember, I saved you from the savages.
Oh, that I know the truth about. And also the drama with the savages.
Be on guard. The evil is roaming about seeking for souls to devour. Yes. Roaming about like a roaring lion, seeking for souls to devour. Evil begets evil. This soul that sinneth must die. He that kills by sword must die by sword. The heart of man is evil and wicked. Oh, many are the afflictions of the righteous, but only Sabinigwe will deliver them from all. I tell you on this day, as the humble servant of Holy Sabinigwe, many shall fall by your side. 1,000 shall fall by your right side. They shall not come near you. Only with your eyes you will see and behold the destruction of Naija. For those who dwelleth in the secret place of Holy Sabinigwe shall abide under the shadow of Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Ranu Olisa, Step forward and kneel before the nuptial pot. Stretch forth your hands before the rod. I join both of you as one. You shall have dominion. Go forth and make royal and graceful descendants. Your sons and gifted daughters.
The scent of my son is as the odor of a field that Olisa himself has blessed. And may he give you the dews of the heavens and the fatness of the earth and the abundance of grain and new wine. Let peoples bow down before you and nations bow before you. May you be masters of your affairs. Let everyone be cursed that curses you, and be favored with blessings who blesses you.
Is this really the end of darkness, or the beginning?
Creator of heaven and earth, provider and protector of your people. We praise you for your goodness. We praise you for you hear us when we call upon you. And we thank you for saving your people and healing the land.
Your love is great, your power mighty. You hold the world in your hands. You save us from the plans of our enemies. And we thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe.
Holy Sabinigwe, Chukwu-Okike. You are the Father, we are your children. You are our God and we are your people. You have not allowed your enemies to triumph over us, but you have given us victory over our enemies. So we lift our hands in praise, for we dwell in the secret place of the Most High, and we abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Holy Sabinigwe.
Your love is great, your power mighty. You hold the world in your hands. You save us from the plans of our enemies. And we thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Your love is great, your power mighty. You hold the world in your hands. You save us from the plans of our enemies. And we thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. Holy Sabinigwe. We thank you, Holy Sabinigwe.